Today we are trying out 2 blow dry sprays on my hair. This is my OG one that I've loved forever until the end of time, and this is a newer one I've been using. I've already blow dried the back of my hair with each of these, so we're just gonna do the front to make this video short and sweet. Let's start with the OG one. Well, my hair is pretty much dry. I let it pretty much air dry, which I found really helps with blow drying it. I also like to use a little shea butter balm. So this is the Kinky Curly Seriously Smooth Prep and Protect. So what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit of this shea butter and I'll rub it together in my hands and I'll apply it to the ends. This really helps just protect my ends and then not be like all crispy, you know, sometimes when you blow dry your hair. And then we are going to be using the Protecting Heat Styling Spray from Tresemmé. This is like the OG one. It has heat protectant up to 450 degrees, and this says it is a professional primer and anti-breakage. So I really like to saturate the hair with all of this. And I'm going to take this Visco Pro brush. I have so many of these. I love these. And I like using this to detangle my hair, especially because I have Afro type 4 hair. Whatever little detangles I didn't get from like the unbrush, this really helps get it. So I'll just go brush it on the side going down, and it feels so good on the scalp. And then when I get to the ends, I just pull the end and then I just gently pull it down. This is, to me, I'm not even gonna lie, better than the Tangle tweezer. I love the Tangle tweezer, but this, I don't know if it's like the ergonomics of the brush, it just makes it so much easier. And I always get these brushes from TJ Maxx. If I remember, I'll show you guys at the end. I literally have so many of these. Like, I love this brush. You know, see how easy that was? And my hair is still wet, but that is the combination of this brush, shea butter balm, and then of course the heat protectant spray. So now we're gonna go in with the Dyson and this blow dry attachment and blow dry my hair. Alright, so that is essentially how I blow dry it. I love my hair. It just sticks up all the time. So yes, we're gonna go ahead. I think I'll do this section off camera. I literally do the same thing and then I'll come back and do this last section one more time. You guys can see how it really lays down with the Protecting Heat Styling Spray, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Let's get into the Keratin Smooth Blowout Heat Protectant Spray, Professional Frizz Control and Detangling. Okay, so we do the spray and then we do the pomade. It does look really thin, which is really crazy, but I've just learned to accept that, you know, you gotta take the good with the bad, I guess. Hair is a journey, so I just do my best to protect the length as much as I can. It's rarely ever in a shrunken state like that. And because it's in braids a lot, I think I'm able to retain a lot of this length. So yeah, when it's pulled out, it looks fine. Probably a little bit thinner, of course, as it goes down. But we're trimming it, so we'll see. But right before blow drying, we're gonna do one more spray just to really protect it. When it's blow dried, it looks fine to me. But yeah, seeing that for a second kind of maybe like I was a little spooked. I just honestly, you guys, I take, like I said, the good with the bad. Not all of my hair is perfect all around. And I'm just learning, you know, to do the best I can with it. Our balm. So here is my hair after being blow dried. I know I'm wearing a black top. I'm always wearing a black top when I am blow drying my hair. But this side feels just so much softer and better. And then this side, it still feels soft, but it's not as like moisturized. So I definitely think this is gonna be my new go-to heat protectant. This one has held me down for so many years. I've loved this one. And maybe I'll use them together, but I do think I am going over to this one. It just feels way more moisturizing and just way more better for my hair. They both have hydrolyzed keratin. They have a lot of the same ingredients. This one has a different fragrance. No, they both have fragrance. This one actually seems like it has less ingredients. So I'm actually gonna throw these into chat and see what the difference is. 1 second, let's see. Keratin Smooth ones includes a keratin protein. It's marketed to seal and frizz control. Okay, so it says if your hair is frizz prone, coarse, or you want a polished, blowed out look, it says to use this one. If you have fine hair and you just want the protection without changing the texture too much, they want you to use this one. If you're going to be doing a lot of like heat styling, they want to go ahead and use this one. If your budget's tight, either one. Okay, so it says neither one is a bad choice. I agree, like they both feel very soft. This one just feels way softer. But the main difference is, do you want extra smoothing or just a more basic heat protection? So this one is going to give you like a smoothing, a gloss, and a frizz control. This one is just more so a heat protectant and it doesn't focus so much on the smoothing. I will put the summary in the description box below if you guys want to see. So my hair, you guys, is growing out so much. I don't know what I'm doing differently, but it is definitely growing. I'm so in love with it. It looks so good. But yeah, we're getting pretty long. So yeah, I don't know if I want to switch to weekly washes now or if I want to do bi-weekly. I've pretty much been doing monthly, and this is how long my hair has gotten. I am just so proud of my hair. It has gotten so long. I'm taking really good care of it, kind of just by letting it be. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.